Hey, what's up guys? It's Simon Arome Films here again, and today we're in the heart of Abuja, right here in Life Camp. And I bring you one of the best apartments you will ever see in the country. Today we are here at Sansat home, and you know, on this channel I bridge the gap between Nigerians in diaspora and Nigerians here. So if you're in diaspora or you're in the country and you're looking for where to stay or to rest your head for a couple of days, months, I have the best apartment for you. So without further ado, come with me as I show you Sansat homes. So let's go. Before you enter the home, you see it's well homely, and of course, let's come this way. As you can see, what is a Nigerian home without electricity? Of course, so there's standby 24 hours electricity. So come with me, let's go inside. So welcome to Sansat home. Let me take you inside and show you what this apartment has to offer. Come with me, guys. So welcome to the living room. The first thing that welcomes you is the sitting room, of course, and then you have this beautiful light fitting, as you can see. One of my favorite parts of this house is the lighting. You can see how the chandelier lights up the house, and then the sitting room area, you can see this massive TV where you can play games, you can entertain yourself, and then you have board games if you're bored. So just to mention, this is a 4-bedroom apartment, and it is well fitted with beds and appliances for just 4 people. So of course, if you want to rent this apartment, you can just rent just a bedroom for yourself, and you can stay with other people if you want to. So there you have it for the sitting room area. And then just by this side, you have a pool, just as you have at the other place. Ooh, that was close. All right, so come with me, let me take you to the kitchen. One of my favorite parts of the house too, where of course food is. This is the kitchen area. You have your microwave, your cooker, your fridge, so you can stay as long as you want in this apartment. And then of course storages and some cabinets here. So downstairs here you have the guest toilet here, where you can ease yourself and of course do your business. So we'll be going upstairs now to see the rest of the bedrooms. I think there's one bedroom here, so let's check it out. Oh, okay, beautiful. So we have one bedroom here. It's quite spacious, and you have a very big king-size bed. No, this is not a king-size bed. You have a very beautiful bed here. It's not a king-size bed. And then curtains, where you can also have view of the environment. One thing I also like is about the bedrooms is, in every bedroom you can have a view of your environment. And then right here you have a wardrobe where you can store your clothes, and each of the bedrooms comes with bathrooms. So this is the bathroom, and of course it's Simon Arome approved. As you can see, it's quite very high, so it's approved, right? So let's go to the next room. Come with me as I take you upstairs. Here you have this beautiful mirror, as you can see. It's cut into diamond shape, yeah. Wow, I must give it to them for this mirror. Let's go to the master bedroom. Here you have the master bedroom. It's quite spacious, and also you have a king-size bed here where you can relax and have a good time, and then you can have a very beautiful view of the estate from this place. I'll take you to the closets of this bedroom. So come inside. This is the closet where you can store your clothes and all of that. You can see how massive it is. I also like the fact that they did not just compress everything together. Everything was well thought out, and you have a lot of space. This is the master's bedroom toilet. As you can see, this is quite more spacious than the other one you saw earlier. Yeah, you can shower and do whatever you want to do here. You have on that bedroom here. This is also spacious and is similar to the one downstairs, and you can see everything is well lit up. You have an AC here, and you have a TV here, and then of course restroom here. This is the same with what I showed you downstairs. This bedroom is a little more spacious than the other one. I think after the master bedroom, this is more spacious. As you can see, you have the toilet here, a king size bed here, an AC, and also a view of the beautiful environment. One thing I noticed about this apartment is how they paid attention to detailing. I like how there are plants around, so you breathe fresh air, not like other states in Nigeria. I will not mention, but you know the state I'm talking about. Now that we've seen the 4-bedroom apartment with its spacious living area, let me show you the second option on the offer. This is a single room that comes to an open kitchen, perfect for solo stays and quick getaways. So guys, apart from what you just saw outside, come let me show you what's inside. Come with me. I like the fact that this house is very smart and you have a smart door here. All right, we're in. Also, you can use the card to turn on the lights. All right, so welcome, come in. All right, so welcome. First thing you see here is this beautiful couch where you can sit and relax and just have fun. And the rooms have AC, so you know Abuja is hot. Then you have this microwave here, shelf for storage if you stay for days, and this beautiful bed and this TV screen. Bed is very big. This is where the magic happens. You know. All right, so this wonderful bed just for you. And then here you can also have the view of the balcony from here. As you can see the view of the balcony. Just relax, study, or you can meditate. One of the things I like about this apartment is the colors, how the colors fit. You can see white, you can see ash, you can see just natural colors. And also, I like the fact that it's very spacious. You can see how spacious this is. Very spacious. And this is just a studio room. You have another studio room here. You can see it's called S1. I think the S stands for Sansat. And then this sit-out area where you can sit and chill with your friends. And that's it here. And then also the balcony. Okay, where you can come, sip a cup of coffee right here. Just sit here and think about your life. You know, life is good. Observe the neighborhood. If you want to book this apartment, I'll drop their details down in the description, and also their price list or the link to their Instagram or their website, so that you can book an apartment for yourself. If you're coming to the country, you can book this apartment. And there you have it. So I want to thank Sansat for giving me the opportunity to explore their home and show you what they have here. If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.